this is the first Sunday of the month, so once again it's time for the free monthly draw. I used to use a big bucket full of names and draw one out, or used to often get a dog to draw one out, or anybody that was walking by in the house, but now I do it electronically, so the names go in fresh every week or every month. So I'm going to go upstairs, find a name, come back down, and we'll see who's won. Right, the name it chose, the name I picked out was Brian Franklin. So Brian, all you've got to do, send me an email and I'll get the gear posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway and I'll show you the prizes a little bit later on. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is comment on this video, like and share the video, but the comment must say 2023 giveaway 6. And my computer will pick that phrase out of all of the comments on YouTube and I'll find another winner. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. There's a really nice engineer's level there that was given to me by my friend Bob. Bob's had it all apart and reground it and cleaned it up, calibrated, so that's ready to go. As you can see, my bench is not very level. And also a set of these Cleveland drills. I do like these, I use them all the time. 32 prizes, well worth winning.